MC-1000 is filled with complicated technology, but it's extremely easy to use. Let me show you how. You can turn the unit on your intuitive LCD remote control. Hit the quick relaxation button on your remote for a fast 8-minute massage. The chair comes with 6 different massage cycles for your convenience, including recovery, pain relief, stretch, overall, rock relax, and healthcare. You can adjust your chair's recline with the buttons on the bottom of the remote. You could also go straight into zero gravity mode by pressing the 0 button. The chair comes equipped with 34 compression airbags to enhance your massage. You can change the location of the airbag compression by pressing the air pressure button on your LCD remote. If you'd like to stop your massage for any reason, press the emergency off button on the front of your LCD remote. The chair comes equipped with an S-track roller system to target your entire back, along with 3D rollers that go in and out of the backrest to enhance your massage. It also comes standard with a shiatsu foot massager, which comes equipped with airbag compression and mechanical foot rollers. You can change the intensity on your massage by pressing the intensity button on the front of your LCD remote. To customize your massage, press Menu, scroll down to Manual, and you could adjust the mode, position, width, and speed of each individual massage. If you'd like to focus your massage on a specific point of your body, press Menu, and then scroll down to Manual. Then, scroll down to Position, and choose Fixed Point. Then press Menu again to be taken back to the massage screen. On the massage screen, you can toggle between different points on the body by holding the up and down arrows. To toggle the duration of your massage, press Menu and scroll down to Timing. You could then choose between a 10, 20, and 30-minute massage. That's everything you need to know about the truMedic MC-1000 massage chair. Now, if you can excuse me, I'm gonna get a quick massage.